Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my people. You don't finally read though. They say that Finland now is now working with the Parliament Tinubu in order way to bring Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria. My people, I will play this video. May you watch. Actually, they watch message say they share the video so that other people go to get the information and know how it they go for this last one. Because as it stands right now, I know the waiting be the next move of Tinubu, but anything will be move. In go the follow as it they fall for inside the where they do party. My people, please share the video.
About the role Finland has been playing recently to subjugate and to intimidate blacks who are fighting for their freedom. This is one example right here in front of us. Our Prime Minister has committed no crime. Prime Minister Simon Ekpa is not a terrorist. Our Prime Minister has committed no financial crime. All he has done is exactly what millions of Biafrans are doing every single day, which is for us to rule ourselves. We have the freedom, we have the rights to do that. We've conducted a self-referendum where over 50 million Biafrans, both at home and abroad, has voted for us to exit Nigeria. The continuation plot by Finland to continue to listen to Nigeria and be the one investigating on behalf of Nigeria for the reports Nigeria gave to them. And then in that same angle, continue to hurt innocent Biafrans is unacceptable. It is totally unacceptable. I've been able and had the opportunity to talk, just like Attorney Levy has said, the Biafran citizens that were held by the Finland government. These individuals we have said at the same time with our Prime Minister. We've heard their story. We've heard the intimidation. We've heard how their businesses were affected and destroyed within the period that they were held by the Finland government. And yet, at the end, no crime was established against them. These are innocent Biafrans that the Finland government picked from their different homes, destroyed their businesses by blocking their accounts, blocking their source of income for months. And at the end, no crime was established on these individuals, except what was your relationship with Biafra? What were you doing? How do you know Simon Ekpa? How were you donating? How is this a crime? And Finland can fall so low to listen to Nigerian government to continue to perpetuate this heinous crime against Biafrans because of the lies that were sent to Finland and then Norway by extension. One of these individuals almost lost his life because of the way he was locked up inside the van. Finland police used to arrest him. It was so small. The guy was panting for breath. He couldn't breathe until he started banging on the door. And they had to open that to let fresh air come in. So he would have been dead. Why must Finland continue to instigate this suppression and tampering with individuals' basic human right from the instigation they get from the Nigerian government? Why must Finland play a role in this kind of injustice? This is not acceptable. This must stop. The Nigerian terrorist state, the defense chief, Christopher Musa, has publicly come out to tell the world that Nigeria is fighting an asymmetrical war with Biafra, Finland, and Norway, and the world. What is asymmetrical war? That means Nigerian government has continued to kill innocent Biafrans just because they want their freedom. It is on public domain. So Finland cannot claim or say they do not know there is a war, a silent war currently going on between Biafra and Nigeria. Finland cannot claim ignorance of that. The killing is going on in Biafra territory. The killing is going on in different parts of Nigeria. Finland has that information. Why do you continue to pretend as if you do not know what is going on or what the Nigerian state is capable of doing? How are you facilitating the torture and killing of Biafrans by the Nigerian government? The world knows. The world knows how Christians have been murdered in Nigeria. Biafrans are Christians. And the Nigerian government is not doing anything to protect the lives and properties of innocent individuals. Nigeria is a failed state. Why should Finland and Norway continue to toe the path of going with a failed state when you should be on the path of freedom, justice? Finland, you fought a brutal war to be free today where you are, knowing what you know and what you did. How and why should you pretend as if you don't know what the Prime Minister Simon Ekpa is doing? Rather, you are listening to the terrorist state of Nigeria and all the lies that they told you. And based on that, you are restricting him. And you also took our innocent brothers and sisters, our innocent Biafran brothers, and you locked them up in solitary confinement. Why should you lock people up in a solitary confinement based on the report that Nigeria terrorist state government has given you, Finland? Why should that happen? That is not acceptable.
To be in this wonderful country that I have already known since 1st of September. So I have had some time to get to know the culture and the people and all the opportunities that
Thank you, Attorney Marian. Please, how optimistic are you of when Biafrans may likely see their Prime Minister? Because everyone wants to jump and be very joyful.
Yes, I have been following the criminal investigation as hard as I can. And of course, there is a very super good criminal attorney handling that one, who is my lawyer colleague from 30. He is 30 years back. We have known each other. So we are very hopeful, since the investigation shows to be on finishing points, which means that since there is nothing too much to ask anymore, things are covered pretty well. We are hoping any day now him getting free. I myself have predicted like he should be free by this month, but also I cannot go into details, but also we all must remember that there are people who spread any kind of information that the police must always investigate, and they are not coming from friendly side of camp, of friendly side of Biafrans, because there are some people, I don't know if they are from abroad or inside Finland, there are people who want to mislead the investigators to suspect things that never existed or happened. But anyway, Finnish police is kind of smart, and they can differentiate fake news and real thing. So we are very, very hopeful we will meet him again soon. And the first step was that they removed his communication restrictions so that he can meet, for example, Adam regularly now, and all people who want to visit him in the prison.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So that
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Please share this video. I no get plenty talk what I want talk. Just share the video and drop your own opinion in the comment section as you don't read. Forget say see there for Balaba GC here where would they bring your bonga news as it they happen. As you they share, make sure say they comment and drop your own opinion, because these people they watch you and they see they must do the needful as you don't read.